How to fix mouse pointer disappearing in Classic Outlook. So here I am in the Classic version of Outlook, and recently, this year in 2026, there has been a bug in the Classic version of Outlook where the mouse pointer disappears. So Microsoft has already addressed this issue and gave some workarounds and fixes in how to fix that problem. So right now, we don't really have that problem anymore since Microsoft already fixed it. But in case if you encounter the problem again, you can see the official documentation right here by Microsoft in how to fix the issue. So the issue is when using the classic version of Outlook, the mouse pointer or mouse cursor disappears as you move the pointer over to the Outlook interface. So although the mouse pointer is not there, the email in the message list will still change color as you hover over it. So this issue has also been reported with other Microsoft 365 apps. So what happens is that your mouse pointer disappears, but you can still hover your mouse right here in the email list, and then you can see that your email changes color. So what you can do as a workaround, so it says right here, when you hover over the Outlook message list and the email color shade changes to a different color, select an email, this may cause the mouse pointer to reappear. So for example, if your mouse is gone right here in Outlook, you can still hover your mouse over here to an email, and then you can click on an email right here. So for example, I can click on this email, and then that should cause your mouse pointer to reappear. So if it's still not working, the other solution right here is to open PowerPoint and click into an editable window in PowerPoint, then click back into Outlook and check if your mouse is back again. So for example, I have Outlook right here. We can open PowerPoint and then just go to a blank presentation and then click anywhere in here, then go back to Outlook, and then your mouse pointer should now reappear. And then the third workaround is that you can restart your computer. So if it's still not working, you can go ahead and report this to Microsoft. So you can try to record your screen, and then you can go ahead and ask the Microsoft support team for further investigation and to fix your problem. But as I said, as of now, this problem is already fixed. If you are still having some problems, you can try repairing the Outlook application. We can go ahead and open the control panel. So go to search, type in the control panel, go to programs and features. From here, find Microsoft 365 apps, which is this one. So just click on that and then click change right here. Click yes. And then you can try to use the repair function right here. So you can use quick repair. And then if it's still not working, you can try to use online repair. And then online repair requires an internet connection. If you choose quick repair, so you can just do it offline. So you can try to use quick repair first, and if it's still not working, you can try to use online repair. So for example, if I click repair right here. So this may take a while, and then what you need to do first is that you need to close Outlook and PowerPoint. From here, click continue, and then you just need to wait until this finishes repairing the Microsoft 365 apps, which includes the classic version of Outlook. And then that is basically it. So that is what we can do to fix the mouse pointer disappearing in the classic version of Outlook. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.